Tejas, let's have a talk.
Sure, Papai.
Tell us your journey from college days till today.
The fact that I was never an organized person in college, right? There was never a requirement for that.
Right.
But when I came to this company, I realized that there's so much that you need to do in a customer success role. There are so many things that you need to know about that it becomes a requirement, an innate requirement to be organized in the first place, to bifurcate the things that are there on your plate, right? To first analyze what all you need to do and prioritize them. So that is something that has helped me grow both professionally and personally.
Because you see, every day there is a new use case that you learn from.
Definitely.
And you have been in the industry for 1.5 years now, I believe. And I'm pretty sure that till that time, the experience that you have achieved, many professionals in the industry more than 10 years do not have it. I'm sure about it.
Even if you talk about the Kolkata office, Papai, we don't just handle West Bengal. There's Odisha, Jharkhand, Bihar, West Bengal, and the Seven Sisters of the Northeast.
Absolutely.
And the diversity in that very specific region teaches us things that we never knew. I mean, if you talk about one particular college, say, I was talking to a person who is handling the whole of admissions for a very, very prominent, eminent college in the country, in the eastern region. He told me that NPF or using NPF has become a thing of muscle memory for him. Right? He tells me that without even thinking, in the morning, whenever he opens his laptop, he opens the browser, he goes to NPF, and when he lands over there, he realizes that, all right, I'm already inside NPF. Right? He does those things without even thinking. And I believe creating that kind of a presence in not just in area, but in people's minds, that is something of an achievement in itself for a regional office.
Absolutely. One thing happened in my past experience was one of the prominent clients in my eastern region. He once told me, when I was showing him how the admission process will work for the next academic session, he just stopped me in between, just like a teacher used to do to the students. And he told me that I do not want to know anything. You know my admission process better than most of the people who are working now. You have been associated for more than 3 years now. I need an idiot-proof system. Sir, what do you actually want? We have all the configurations ready and all. So he simply told me that people are, tend to do mistakes. Yeah, human touch points will be there. There will be manual errors. The checks and balances should be in such a way that all the possibilities of human error should be taken care of by you. You have been handling all the, educational institute across country with your knowledge base. You create your system. So now we are on the mission of, creating that idiot-proof system.
I believe our CRM, our platform is even better when, you integrate the offline aspect into the system as well. Because there are so many things that you can do with the system, so many trackable points that it becomes a requirement for you to use the system for even your offline applications.
Right.
And talking about that, Bapai, you tell me something. You started your career in No Paper Forms in the Gurgaon head office. And then you went ahead with taking charge for helping in establishing the regional office for Kolkata. Now, can you tell me what is the key for success with respect to this transition? And do you feel if there are any changes, in the experience that you had in the RO and the HO?
Absolutely no change in the experience. And thanks to the young dynamic team that we have in HO and RO, there is no, not a single moment wherein I faced any, requirement of any second level of communication. It was so smooth each and every time. Every department is in sync. You see, obviously there are customer requirements. We need to interact with the IT team, technology team, product team, and whatnot, operations team sometimes. All these teams are independently going to the, achieve the same goal of solve for the customer, whether they are in a regional office, whether they are being catered from the head office. Yeah, each and every time we have got the support even in odd hours, and that is what thanks to the people like you who are sitting in RO. And I won't praise you much in front of the camera, but there are dynamic people who are making things happen. It's not a lone game. It's about the entire team. Proactive approach that you guys have or our team have to communicate constantly is making things happen.
So Bapai, I think after all this, we are done with your talk.
Yeah.